Hey, what's up everybody? Zach here. I'm just going to do a quick review of my 2018 Kona Rove LTD. 2018 Kona Rove LTD, steel frame with a carbon fork. It's running 650Bs front and rear, and it is an awesome bike. My bike is currently a custom bike. I bought the whole frame, the whole complete, and then over the last few months I've just been slowly pulling parts and adding more. I am currently running the SLK from Full Speed Ahead AGX wheel set, along with the SLK Lite crankset with a 1x afterburner modular 32-tooth chainring. So it is still 1x on an 11-speed drivetrain. Currently I have a rack in the back set up for bike touring. I plan to eventually pull that off and do a frame bag, a handlebar roll, and a seat post bag eventually. I'm doing more of a bike packing setup. I am currently running a brand new Full Speed Ahead AGX carbon handlebar. This thing is the K-Wing AGX, and it is awesome. Super lightweight compared to what I was running before. I had a Salsa wood chipper that I absolutely love. It was full aluminum, and it was very wide, and sometimes I just felt like maybe it was just too wide for me. I'm coming from a mountain bike background, so it's been a bit of a change, kind of blending the worlds with this bike. But this bike is definitely way more road oriented, obviously. I have hit single track trails. I've done a couple log rides, and all kinds of things on this bike. It is very capable. These 650B wheels are a dream. I'm faster on it than I was faster on my older 2015 Kona Rove, and my bike is about to go over. Let's just watch her go. SRAM Force brakes, drivetrain, SLK Lite seat post. What else is on here? I'm running Crank Brothers pedals. There's the rack. I usually have a light mounted. I'm running a pretty high stack right now, as I needed to be in a more of an upright, comfortable position for the recent 120-mile ride I did for bike packing. I was loaded up with about 40 pounds of gear. I had a handlebar roll and two panniers on the back here, and it was girthy. There's the crankset, and I'm getting all kinds of crap. I'm doing this quick lunch break review. The WT byways are a freaking sweet tire. You can't see that tread pattern. It is amazing. You roll super fast on the center, and as you get into the dirt, you use that wider footprint with all that herringbone diamond pattern and those wider knobs on the side for grip. I've got these tacky reflectors that came with a helmet, a POC helmet of mine. I threw that on there specifically for that ride. I could probably get away with pulling those off now. I'm running the what is this? Planet Bike fenders. These were given to me by a coworker. Being free, I threw them on, made them work, and they work like a dream. Super lightweight, and yeah. I got a plane coming in, so give us a minute. This is the carbon FSA K-Wing AGX handlebar. I've got this mounted to a 12-degree K-Force Lite mountain bike stem. I flipped it so I'm in a positive 12 degree for that more upright position. I freaking love this bar. The more I ride it, the more I like it, and I will be doing another review on this soon. So yeah, that's a wrap. Thanks for joining in on me this cold December day out here in Painfield, Everett, doing this review on my 2018 Kona Rove LTD.